Hello everyone, I am Faizul Haq, Faculty of Computer Science of Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Hosai. So I'll be teaching you computer science in class 11 and 12. So I heartily welcome you all to the Computer Science Department of Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science. So this is me, and regarding my qualification, I have completed my Masters in Computer Application from St. Anthony's College, Shillong in the year 2016. After MCA, I have worked uh, as a postgraduate teacher in computer science in St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Krishnai, and I have been working in Ajmal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Hosai, as a faculty of computer science since October 2017. So, my dear students, you all know that we are under the pandemic of coronavirus. So during this hard time, there is only one way to learn, that is e-learning. So for e-learning, this is my WhatsApp number through which you can communicate with me, and this is my email address. Okay. So to learn computer science in class 11 and 12, we need to have some basic understanding, or we need to have some skill sets to learn computer science. The first one is we need to have some basic understanding of mathematics, and specifically mathematics formulas and all. Okay. After that, we need to have some basic understanding of English language, as our main language will be English. Yes, in the classroom we are going to use, especially we are going to use English and Hindi both, and whenever required, sometimes I might use Assamese also. So apart from this, of course, we need to have some basic understanding of science and computer. My dear students, it is not necessary to have computer science in school level to learn computer science in higher secondary level. If you did not have computer science also, it is fine. We are going to learn from the basic. Okay, that means what is computer and all. Okay, though we are not going to focus on the basic parts in higher secondary level, especially we are going to learn about programming languages, and we are going to focus on logic specially. Okay, for that you need to have some mathematics concept. Okay, so during these 2 years, what we are going to learn, let us quickly see what we are going to learn. So first of all, in the first year especially, we are going to focus on programming with C++. Here we are going to write some program based on our mathematics, science and all. Okay. Then in second year, we are going to learn about object-oriented programming. This will be based on our real life entity. Okay. Then we are going to learn about Boolean algebra, which is a part of mathematical algebra. This is very interesting. Okay. Then we are going to learn about data structure. So this data structure, it will be fully dependent on logic building, especially by creating algorithm and all. Okay. And then we are going to learn about database management system, right? So how we can create database, and what are the types of database and all. Okay, we are going to learn in this uh, content. Then we are going to learn about data communication and networking. So as a whole, this is what we are going to learn in class 11 and 12. Okay. Then uh, as you can see here, this is our computer lab. Okay. And at present, our computer science department is having 15 number of computer is working. Okay. And for doing programming for the students, we have all the software package available in each PC. Okay, especially we are going to do, or we are going to write programming in C++. For that, Turbo C++, CodeBlock, and MySQL for database are already pre-installed in each PC. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the previous 2 years result of computer science. Okay, so this year our total number of students was 12, and out of 12, 7 students got letter mark, and the highest mark is 96. And we are very unfortunate that this time we missed state highest mark in computer science just by 1 mark. That means this time state highest mark was 97. So though 5 of them did not get letter mark, but they got, all of them they got above 70 marks. And last year, that means 2019, total number of students was 11, and out of 11, 9 students got letter mark, and highest mark was 93. Okay, so hopefully this year we are going to get better result. That means in 2021 we will get much better than these 2 years. So after class 11 and 12, by taking computer science, these are the some uh, scope of higher study. That means you can go with these courses. Especially, you can proceed with Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology, and then you can proceed with ME, MTech, Master in Engineering and Master of Technology. Here you can choose any branches, and my dear students, you all know these days computer is must in every engineering branches, and even in uh, Bachelor of Science stream also. Okay, so after that second scope you have, you can proceed with Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Maths by taking computer science as honors. Again, you can proceed with Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and then you can proceed with Masters in Information Technology. The fourth scope you can have Bachelor of Computer Application and Masters in Computer Application. So personally, I did Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and then I went for Master in Computer Application. So likewise, you can choose. And apart from this, normal BSc and MSc you have. Especially, you can go with Mathematics BSc, Physics and Chemistry. And you, uh, my dear students, these days, if you are going to learn BSc Maths, Physics, Chemistry, everywhere there will be one subject of programming languages. So you have to learn. You can ask any teacher regarding this. Okay, except biological science, especially zoology, botany, and medical science. Everywhere you are going to learn computer science. Especially if you are going to learn, if you are going to take admission in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BSc, wherever you go, computer science is must these days. Especially programming language you have to learn everywhere. And apart from all this, you have the option with, you can go after class 12, you can choose for Indian Navy and Air Force. And my dear students, in this Indian Navy and Air Force, there will be 3 subjects you have to choose. Okay, and you can choose computer science as one of them. That means you can choose mathematics, physics, computer science, or you can choose mathematics, physics, chemistry also. Okay, so except medical science, you can go everywhere. Even you can proceed with uh, pharmaceutical, that means B Pharm, M Pharm also you can go with this course. Okay, next after this, what are the career opportunity you have if you are going, if you uh, if you are going to, if you are planning to do with computer science degree, then after computer science, these are the some uh, career opportunity you have, as you can become a computer programmer, software engineer, research analyst, data scientist, system designer, lecturer, of course these are the common, software developer, network engineer, right? And then apart from these all, you can go for artificial intelligence. Nowadays artificial intelligence is common in everywhere. Okay, so uh, this is what I want to discuss with you all in this introductory section. Hopefully we are going to meet very soon, and we'll proceed with our computer science classes, as well as we are going to focus on practical courses also. Okay, with this I'll stop here. Okay, thank you very much.